In this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this handwriting effect automatically in After Effects. You can find the project file in the description. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 18 of 365. Let's make our text automatic and gonna center this with Control Home. We have to go here in the timeline, right click our layer, select here in Create and select Create Masks from Text. It will create a new solid layer with all the letters masked out. So we're going to use the effect stroke. And here in path, let's select all masks. It will select all the masks to do the stroke animation. I'm gonna zoom a little bit. Here, select reveal original image to see our stroke. You can disable the view of the mask clicking here. First, let's decrease the spacing to 0. Decrease the brush hardness to 50. This is to make the handwriting animation smoother. And now let's bring up the brush size until it covers all the letters and try to not have all these small patches. And now it's time to animate them. Also make sure that stroke sequentially is checked on. Make a keyframe here for end. And first we are going to set this to 0. Press U to see that keyframe, go a little forward. And now let's bring this up to 100. In that easy way we already have our handwritten text animation. There you go. We can improve a little bit this animation by adding another effect. So let's add CC Force Motion Blur. It will give it a little motion blur here so you can see. And we use this effect and not the motion blur here because this doesn't affect the stroke effect. So we're going to use this effect. Increase the shutter angle to something like 720 and increase the motion blur samples. We're not going to increase it too much, but you can increase it to 16 or 32. So now let's preview how this looks. There you go. As you see, with this force motion blur effect it looks a little smoother. And we can also easy these keyframes if you like to with F9. Let's see. It's a really easy and quick effect you can use instead of animating this manually by making all the masks. That way it could be better, but if you have to animate a lot of text, this can help you to solve that faster. You can find this project file in the description and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya!